train your brain. Let's start the Find the Mistake Challenge. You have 10 seconds to find the mistake and write it in the comments. You have 1 heart for every comment. Count your hearts and check your knowledge level. End of the video. Round 1. New York are the capital of USA. Find 2 mistakes from this. If you found 2 mistakes, you have 2 hearts. Round 2. The Titanic were a famous airplane. Find 2 mistakes from this. Add 2 hearts to your score if you wrote 2 comment. Round 3. An elephant have a very short trunk. Find 2 mistakes from this. Speed round. You only have 3 seconds for the next 3 questions. Go. Round 4. Lions loves to eat grass. Find 2 mistakes from this. Where you found it right, comment. Round 5. Don't forget subscribe useful channel for your brain. Shark lives in the middle of the forest. Find 2 mistakes from this. How many hearts won't you have so far? Round 6. The Eiffel Tower are not located in Berlin. Find 2 mistakes from this.
Found all! You're a genius! Only geniuses comment the right answers!
Round 7. Snakes walks very fast on their legs. Find 2 mistakes from this. Don't forget check your knowledge. End of the video. Round 8. Mickey Mouse have white ears and a red nose. Find 2 mistakes from this. Round 9. A zebra have bright purple and orange stripes. Find 2 mistakes from this. Don't forget click like. Round 10. Bananas grows on tall apple trees. Find 2 mistakes from this. Round 11. Italy look like a giant square on the map. Find 2 mistakes from this. Don't forget check your knowledge. End of the video. Round 12. Neil Armstrong were the first person to walk on Mars. Find 2 mistakes from this. Round 13. Canada are the smallest country in Africa. Find 2 mistakes from this. 99% of people fail it. The last question. Round 14. Kangaroos lives in the snowy mountains of Russia. Find 2 mistakes from this.
Great!
Round 15. Use from your IQ for this question. A car have 4 wheels. Find 2 mistakes from this. Round 16. An apple are a blue fruit. Find 2 mistakes from this.
Wait, if you've made it this far, you are a true legend! Let me know in the comments by typing, I am here so I can give you a heart!
Round 17. Basketball are played with a bat. Find 2 mistakes from this. Which is your favorite sport? Round 18. The moon revolved around the Mars. Find 2 mistakes from this. Round 19. Fish walks on the green grass. Find 2 mistakes from this. Round last. The Statue of Liberty were a gift from Italy to the USA in 1986. Find 3 mistakes from this.
Time is up! Now, let's see how smart you really are! Check your IQ level based on your score! Which is your level? Where you saw this video!